Hello everyone. Every tip you're about to hear in this video has been verified by expert mechanics, so take a deep breath. We're going to solve it together. Some time ago, a customer came in with the Lanesence Unavailable service required message on their Dodge. The first thing we explain is that this system relies on cameras and sensors to keep the vehicle centered in its lane. Some customers tell us, the car warns me that lane sense isn't working and I don't know why. And this usually happens because the front camera is dirty, misaligned, or blocked by an object. On the other hand, several forum comments match what we see in the shop. Customers mention, after washing the car or replacing the windshield, the message appeared. This makes sense because any change affecting the camera's visibility can disable the system. One of our shop techs also says if the camera doesn't detect the lane lines correctly, the system shuts off for safety. In some cases, the fault comes from outdated software or modules that need recalibration. Customers report, I updated the system and Lanesense started working normally again. Chrysler and Dodge have also issued technical service bulletins specifying recalibrations after certain maintenance or windshield replacements, especially on newer models. Sometimes lighting or weather conditions trigger false alerts. Some customers say, on very sunny days or during heavy rain, Lanesense temporarily deactivates. And in the shop, we confirm that the camera system can get confused by reflections or poorly visible road lines. That's why it's important to check both the camera and its line of sight. Another common issue we notice is electrical interference or faults in the control modules. Customers have reported, the error appears and disappears for no apparent reason. And when we inspect the vehicle, we sometimes find loose connectors, damaged wiring, or issues with the Lanesense module. As one tech says, if the signal doesn't arrive correctly, the car prefers to show an error rather than operate unsafely. To fix the problem, the first step in the shop is to clean and inspect all sensors and the camera, making sure there are no obstructions or damage. Then we scan the Lanesense module and perform any necessary recalibration according to Dodge's instructions. If a sensor is found to be damaged, it's replaced immediately. Customers tell us, replacing a sensor made everything go back to normal.